So as you all know, no smartphone coverage is complete without a case journey. So we're going to start today with the Pixel 7 Pro, and we're going to start with one of my favorites from the Pixel 6 line last year, the Ringke Fusion Clear. Now, this case gets a whole lot right, and there's very few things that I can honestly complain about with it, if any at all. So with that being said, let's go ahead and get into it. This is Ringke Fusion Clear for the Pixel 7 Pro. So before we get into the case, I want to go ahead and give a quick shout out to the good folks over at Team Pixel who were kind enough to bless me with a Pixel 7 Pro and a Pixel Watch as well. So definitely expect a ton more coverage on both of these devices. So hit that subscribe button. That way you stay tuned whenever new videos drop. But moving right along into the case journey, like I said before, the Ringke Fusion Clear was one of the most underrated but best cases out for the Pixel 6 Pro. I have no idea why so many people slept on it. I think it's an awesome case. And honestly, I do believe that Rinke's kind of following up here with another heavy hitter. So first things first, here's the packaging. You can already see I unboxed it or whatever the case may be because my Pixel came in. Wanted to make sure I had a case. That way I didn't run into any issues or drops or anything like that. So case has already case has already been used since Wednesday. So about 2 days now. Here's the packaging. You got eco package, all that stuff on the front. Honestly, there's nothing but like booklets, kind of like some covers for the back and then for the front. Obviously, you peel those off before you put the phone on. So not too much in terms of the packaging here. So I'll kind of just throw this off to the side. This is the main event why you all are here. So quick tour of the case itself. Obviously, you got your clear cut. This is going to be great to show off that beautiful snow, the only color that matters, by the way. That beautiful snow Pixel 7 Pro. So that's another reason I wanted to pick this one up. But let's go ahead and drop the Pixel 7 Pro in there. See, I already got the face unlock already unlocked for me. But like I said, we got it in. And let's just take a quick tour of the case itself. So you can already tell we normally start off with the lip. We got a nice lip here on the top and on the bottom. And one of the things that I love about this particular case that kind of sets it apart from, say, like the Spigen Ultra Hybrid case is the fact that the lip only extends to like these top corners. So like if you look, you'll notice you only have those like kind of lip protrusions at the top and the bottom of the device, which leave your sides kind of flush with the side of your phone for your gestures to be easier, to actually use or actually action. So I love the fact that Ringke paid that, close attention to detail. A lot of case manufacturers don't. They would have just made it an even border all around. So I really like that aspect of this particular case. Next up, I want to take a quick call out to the buttons. I'm gonna try to see if I can get that in focus, but you do have that textured power button, which I always love. It's always always easy to find. So you do have that there. And then there is like a little groove or indentation on that volume up button. That way you can tell the difference between the volume up and the volume down. So like I said, really dope attention to detail in terms of this particular case. Here's what the back is gonna look like. Obviously, you have a nice little cutout there for your camera lenses. So if you want to put that face down, or not face down, if you want to put it camera side down, you don't have to worry about anything, touching your camera or scratching your camera or anything like that. Same goes for the lip protection. You want to put it face down, absolutely no issues there. Those are your port cutouts right there, looking good and ready to go. Nice, evenly cut. Big wide open port. So if you want to use, say, like a third party cable, I know some of those ports are just a little bit bigger. So if you want to use one of those, you shouldn't have any problem at all with those in this particular case. Other than that, not really a whole lot more to really call out. Like I said, just a really dope case coming out from Ringke. It's super simple, super minimalistic with just a few little hits here for attention to detail. So again, I'm going to call this case an absolute W, an absolute win. Shout out to Ringke for following up, with their 6 series cases last year with another great option. So that's going to do it for this one, but I will make sure I leave a link down in the description below just in case you're interested in picking one of these up or you want to go through some of their other options. There will be a link down there for you. So Let me know what are some of your favorite cases for the Pixel 7 series so far. Never know, might get featured here on the channel. But with that being said, it's going to do it for this one. As always, this is Ike's Tech Talk. I will catch you all in the next video. Peace.